Alright, so we are going to the visitor center. No services in park. Expect delays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I guess it's a good thing we're here at 11. So there is an entrance station. You're going to have to show your pass again.
Yeah, that's like 20 miles.
Phil has a veteran park pass, which is lovely, and we make sure that we spend the same money in the gift shop that we otherwise would have spent on the entrance fees. So really, they're not losing out on any money, because we spend more in the gift shop than we otherwise would have. So we are here at the Hoh Rainforest, making our way to the visitor center. It's still raining. Hopefully my coat's dried out. I've had it drying on the back of the chair. Not sure how long we'll actually spend here. We're doing the Hall of Mosses for sure. I think that's about a mile. We'll double check when we get to the visitor center, but it's a lovely drive. So I think it's like 11 miles to get to the visitor center, and then it's like 17 miles after that. The middle of nowhere. Yeah. It's gotten very mossy. Oh, there's a beach over there.
That's the Hoh River.
No, that's not a river. Is it? Oh, okay, it is. I was wrong.
Hoh River.
I don't think that... Is it called the Hoh River? Oh, he's looking at the GPS, and once again, I don't discount the knowledge of the GPS. Phil, yes. GPS, no.
I know it's Phil, no. GPS, yes.
Okay. It's a really wide river.
We'll be pulling over so I can let the guy behind me pass.
You sure?
Yeah.
Pulling over by mile 4 so that fast man can go fast. Could be fast lady. Oh, it's Oregon. Of course it is. Apologize to any Oregonians, but
No,
you guys
sorry,
can't
not
drive.
Sorry, not sorry.
There are two states that don't know how to drive, and they're coincidentally the ones who don't pump their own gas. Though apparently you can in Oregon now. You just have the option. What are these giant things?
That is the eggs of the... So, you know those K-Rails, right? This is where the K-Rails come and lay their eggs.
Or are they like Spock coffins?
So many spots.
Search for Spock. Right here.
It's beautiful.
It's the breeding season.
Well, it's in the it's late winter, early spring is when they hatch to go to be deployed with road construction.
It's not early spring anymore, Phil.
I know.
It's June in like 5 days.
The thing is that some
It's less
don't
than
hatch
5.
every year. Some go dormant.
Oh,
hatch
these are
next
the
year.
sleeper ones.
Yeah.
Range area? What livestock lives here? Moose? I want to grow moose. Can I be a moose farmer? Peak 6. 500 feet.
What does that mean?
I have no idea. Oh, found Peak 6. Oh, it's an adventure store. Cards, books, and t-shirts.
I thought they said there's no...
That's fun. Oh, there's also... Oh, I thought they were statues. There are people doing work on that building.
I thought there were statues too.
Oh, good. Oh, found the livestock. Cows.
Ah.
Imagine clearing away coastal rainforest so you can raise your cows there. Like, whose idea was that?
But this is like state park area, so... And it's wetlands too. Oof.
We must be getting close to the visitor center.
People live over here. There's actually a street.
I just love the name on this, that it's the Hard Rain Cafe. SV Nikolai Monument. What's that?
He said next left. Is that it?
Yeah. In memory of Voyage of Exploration? We are hitting that on the way back.
You want me to turn around? I can hit it now.
No, because we have to come back this way. There's only one road.
True.
That tree is private property of my heart. Is this a hall of mosses?
Mossy that was. More traffic.
So we haven't made it quite to the pay station yet. Another area of one-way traffic, so we're just waiting for everyone else to go through, but it is beautiful over here.
Can I ask for a more picturesque construction site?
Burns.
With the burn.
Malls. This is like an intense construction thing.
What are they building here? They're drilling for something. Putting those big pipes in. Weird. I wonder what they're doing.
I don't know.
Oh, it's creek site stabilization. We went over a creek. My guess is it was falling into that creek.
Maybe.
Thanks.
Yeah, because the river's right there. Wow, that was much more intense construction than I expected. National Park Rainforest. Thanks, Suburban.
You want me to?
No.
Technically, because that's where you're supposed to park and walk back.
So we got to be getting close to the pay station if the sign's right there. I think I can see it.
There's no road according to our compass.
Oh yeah, the compass where we're going, we don't need roads. Because there aren't any.
See what that sign said? It said, parking lot full.
Estimated 1.5 hour wait?
But the one before that said 2-hour wait.
Oh. Parking lot full, estimated 1 hour wait?
I think if you get stuck at one of these.
You mean like how we are right now? I'm not waiting an hour.
Well, we're moving. That is what it is. Entrance station.
I know, but those signs are there for a reason. Is it the parking lot for the visitor center or the parking lot for the Hall of Mosses?
I don't know.
Are those different parking lots?
I don't know. I just don't know anything.
I mean, I can see the half-hour wait sign. So we're not too far from it. It's not focusing. At least I think that's the half-hour wait sign. 45-minute wait. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so we have reached the 45-minute wait sign. It is 11:31. Rain on my sunroof. It's really a rain roof right now. At least it's a pretty place to get stuck. And we can see the 30-minute sign. At least I'm assuming that's the 30-minute sign.
I think they have a porta potty up there.
Yeah, that's the 30-minute sign. So we're having a snack break. And I just wanted to show these pretzel things that we got at Safeway last night. They're pretzel slider buns, and they're Hawaiian. I love pretzel bread. I love Hawaiian bread. This sounded like an absolute match made in heaven. It tastes like beer. It is very hoppy and not my jam. And Phil, who also doesn't like beer, loves it.
I just like bread.
Well, I am not a fan. I can't believe, because those are two things that I love. I love pretzel bread. And I love Hawaiian rolls.
There's an email address on here I was going to email and be like, hey.
Is this supposed to taste?
Let's actually do that right now. I don't have cell phone service, but Outlook will send the email when I'm in service.
We had 2 bars like 30 feet ago.
We do have 2 bars, too.
Alright. Email the manager, Mr. Karen.
Well, I'm just curious. I just want to say, is the sweet pretzel slider buns supposed to have a hoppy, beery taste to them?
Or are you going to die?
Or am I? Or do I have botulism? Should I do it from my school email or my work email?
No. Your personal email. Alright. I don't remember when the last time was, but we've reached the 30-minute wait mark. And it is 11:37. Alright, we have reached the 15-minute wait sign. It is 11:48. I think it was like 11 minutes?
It's close.
Yeah, that one was the closest one yet.
We are so popular with our bathroom.
Yeah. I'm debating using it. There's got to be a bathroom at the visitor center, though. Yeah. Because I haven't seen people walk back to use it. And if there was no bathroom at the visitor center, people would be walking back to use it. Alright, so we're next up. It is 11:58.
I'm going to get in like right a minute.
So, it was more like a 10-minute wait. Alright. Now we're going to show our pass. So we are officially in. It is 6 miles to the visitor center.
Were we waiting for people to pay that whole time?
I don't think so.
I think she was holding
I think they were staggering people.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ah.
That's Phil taking the mask off.
My nose was itching. So bad.
Visitor center, 6 miles. Let's do this. Alright, I missed the sign, but we are going to the visitor center. Oh boy. Straight.
We're not backpacking?
We're not backpacking. Is this for Hall of Mosses? This can't be for the visitor center.
Can it be?
Oh, this has got to be for, like, hiking.
The backpackers, yeah. Well, here's a visitor center, so.
There's a nice sign that says Hoh. So we'll just circle until we find a parking spot.
You mean right here?
Oh, Jesus Christ. That's a short circle.
I did it! I did it!
Good job, Phil. Good God, let's go to the bathroom.
God, look at the size of that tree.
Stop it.
Okay.
Yeah, that is an impressive tree. Alright, so we are in the visitor center. I think we're good with... Oh my gosh, Phil. Bark Ranger. Should we get that for the girls?
Good.
Oh my God, that's so cute. How much is that? It's $9. They have 2 of them. Phil, am I ridiculous to get this?
No, why?
Should I get 2 or 1?
Let's go.
Our favorite kind of river log. You ready?
I think so, yeah. Just want to make sure I had my phone. So let's go back and get the camera.
Also, this is the sign of Mammoth Hot Springs.
I like it.
What'd you say?
I got a raindrop on my head.
Raindrops. How?
But that's what I said.
Raindrops are falling on Haley's head.
Despite the fact that she is under an umbrella. Doesn't make any sense.
muddy.
My goal for this hike, I want to find a banana slug. Trail, Hall of Mosses, Spruce, and the Hoh River Trail.
All trails. The mini trail is very many.
Oh wow, that really is a mini trail.
Look how clear this water is. So clear.
There's the water over here. It's so pretty.
Oh, it's so clear.
Yeah.
I don't think it's showing up, the water's showing up well on the camera because it's so clear. Bit of a walking it up here. Real slick tree. Oh, that was a good haiku. No one's looking up.
What?
So no one's looking up.
Oh, it is raining.
I mean, just literally the plaque was like, look up. People reading the plaque, but not looking up. I hate it.
I still haven't found a slug.
Big mushroom.
It's not a slug, but it's a big mushroom. Good tree.
Still no slugs?
Still no slugs. Thank you.
You're not supposed to bring dogs.
That's a snowdrop. If you've ever seen Stardust, that's the kind of flower that the mom gives him at the very beginning of the movie. Well, she's in the mom when she gives it to him, but she's awesome.
Oh boy.
I think that's the biggest tree I've ever seen.
Don't. He's a fireback tree. That's going to be the thumbnail. This is what she's taking a photo of. And getting this lens super wet. I'm going to clean that right now.
Didn't realize you guys were on a first-time basis.
Yeah. We hung out in grade school. I think everyone did though.
Yeah.
I probably should go nowhere. That's a good parent. She told her kid to knock it off when they picked up a stick, even though the family in front of them was the one who betrayed the stick.
It's segmented, so I lean towards mushroom.
I think so.
I'm fairly confident that's a mushroom.
Hi, Haley.
No slugs.
No slugs?
No.
Except for me. Good work. That was the sign. Not really good. Anything else? But here's Haley in front of a bunch of moss. Hi, Haley moss.
More than that, I think it's gonna dry. What I do is dry it. I tried to kind of figure out the costing of the pieces. So I can edit them out later.
Do you edit them out later? I thought you leave them so we can pause it.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
The signs.
I don't.
I was recording all of them so that we could.
Is that a mushroom or a slug?
Where?
That's a mushroom.
Yes.
That's a pumpkin.
We are so sweaty. I'm sweaty.
It's not we're sweaty, it's that it's been raining on us, so...
Well, I was sweating. I had a sweater on. I didn't need the sweater.
I didn't have a sweater, I just got rained on.
Oh, no.
I'm really glad that I spent 20 minutes curling my hair this morning.
It looks gorgeous. I love you so much.
I look like a Cocker Spaniel at this point.
She's the lady who brought her dog in there.
Yes. Was in like a baby carrier on the front.
And she had her jacket
That's
over.
millennial.
Yeah, but
Living the dream.
no pets. It
Well, the
said
thing is-
every creature that exists in the Hoh Rainforest is an enemy of pets.
Yeah, I mean, it said be bear aware. I'm sure there are cougars in here. According to every little town we've been in, Sasquatches. Though I feel like Sasquatches would like dogs.
They have some dogs.
So overall, was it worth the hour wait to get in?
Yes, it was gorgeous. It was everything I hoped it to be. A little hugged to death, but
Yeah, it's Memorial Day weekend.
Memorial Day weekend and just a lot. I mean, this is just, it's becoming more popular. Every national park thing is. TikTok, Instagram, that stuff has not helped. And I mean, it's good that we want them to be popular, but there's a point when you have to have a lot more education because kids throwing sticks at trees is not a good...
Though the parents did yell at that one, so I was...
The second one, but not the first one. The first one, they encouraged it, took photos of him stabbing trees with a
No,
stick.
they took a photo of him holding it up. He wasn't stabbing the tree. He was holding it up next to it. And then he did hit the tree, and then they were like, no, no, no!
Oh, I didn't catch that part. And then the family picking 4-leaf clovers.
That was the same family. So Phil's idea was to say that there was some sort of a myth about it.
Yeah, so it's like, oh, these aren't 4-leaf clovers. These are Aurelius something. I don't know. I can't think of...
To which my reply was, we should just say they're poisonous, and you'll get a rash in a couple hours.
Yeah, it's a delayed rash. It's very similar to poison ivy, but...
Actually, it's similar to symptoms of COVID.
No.
You'll start coughing, sneezing, and then you'll say that it's just a myth.
So we forgot about that. We were going to take a photo with the sign. Then we're going to go take a photo with that ship thing, too. So we have to walk back because Haley wasn't comfortable parking over here. So we're going to go take
It's not paved. You're not supposed to pull over where it's not paved.
I know. She's a very good Haley. But we have to walk back, take a photo with the sign, and that's what we're doing now. The sign's right there. So we pulled over. We saw this earlier, and we wanted to take a photo with it.
So what's
Lots of information signs. I wonder what was here.
Wow. In the early 19th century, what is today the northwest coast of Washington state might have become a Russian colony, an extension of Alaska, if the Nikolai voyage had been successful. The SV Nikolai Beeching kept the ship's company from rendezvousing at Grays Harbor with its companion ship. In 1815, a cargo of Russian-American company furs beached at Waimea, Kauai, in the Hawaiian Islands. Baranov sent a Prussian physician, Gregor Schaefer, to Hawaii to recover the furs. Schaefer attempted a Russian colony on Hawaii. Kamehameha, the ruler of Hawaii, forced Schaefer off Kauai and away from the Hawaiian Islands after Schaefer encouraged Kauamuali, the king of Kauai, to oppose Kamehameha. Baranov sent the Nikolai leader Timoi Taraktsnov
To Waimea.
to Waimea after being forced to cross the Kauai Channel to Honolulu Harbor aboard a leaking ship. Taraknov led the Russian party to a safe return to Sitka while Schaefer fled Hawaii, abandoning them. Anna Petrovna Bulgin, a Russian woman notable for being the first European woman known to live in what is now Washington State, landed with the crew. She was 18 years old, an attractive wife. Did they really need to put attractive there? A man wrote this.
Let's say attractive wife.
Attractive wife.
The attractive wife of the captain.
To survive his party, blah blah blah. During the winter, the captain wanted his men to offer a ransom of muskets in trade for her freedom, but much to his grief was turned down. Apparently she wasn't attractive enough, as the muskets were essential for survival. In the spring, the captain and his men returned to the river mouth to speak to Anna. She shocked her husband when she advised him and his men to surrender and told him she was being treated well by her Indian captors. Yeah, she probably was being treated well, because he was probably a dick. He collapsed, later surrendered, while being held as a captive at Nia Bay by the Maka? I don't know how to pronounce that. Well, the captain was reunited for a time with his wife. Anna died, possibly receiving a tribal burial. He died later,
Of
the next
consumption.
year, of consumption. It's not sequential.
It's supposed to be started from over here to over there.
Oh! No, because that's about Hawaii, and then she dies there, and then she's with the tribe at this one. This is confusing. But very interesting. And there's a lovely grove of not cedars, birch. Could be birch or aspen. I'm terrible about that.
Yes.
That is cool. I love it.
Cute cabins.
Alright, let's get going.
Cute wife.
Not attractive, though.
Yeah, they want to put that on a sign. They would say aggressive or something. I don't know, what a historian in the future, what would they say about you?
Confident.
There you go.
I want to take a picture of these.
Okay.